Hello friends, good afternoon all of you, and let's begin. After a long time we people are meeting here for communication activities. So we people have began with oral presentations as well as we people are going to take discussion also. If you remember that we people have started it, but maybe you people were busy in some kind of training. So maybe for last 2 weeks I think that or 1 week we people were not having a class for CIP, but I hope that you people are practicing on your own. So don't wait for CIP sessions because CIP sessions hardly 8 or 10 sessions may take place, but out of that you people have to uh, make it just maximum practice so that you people are going to feel that English communication is not a drawback, rather than you can convert it into strength by practicing only. And here we people are all at same stage that only oral communication we need to focus. We don't have problem for our listening, reading and writing. So with this note, we people will start our session. I think that earlier we people were used to do some individual presentations, and after individual presentations we people were talking some discussion or uh, GD kind of GD we people will be able to do. So let me know that what we people would like to do in today's session. I don't think that if someone is ready for today's session. If you're ready, just you can raise your hand so that I can understand you wanted to give your individual presentation for 2 to 3 minutes. If you want to speak, you just raise your hand. Accordingly, we people will go ahead. If not, then we are going to discuss topics or group discussion, kind of discussion we people are going to do. Okay, so it shows that there is no one who is ready to present individually. So accordingly, we people will go for discussion. So can anybody tell me which was the topic that we people have discussed last time? Accordingly, I can give you. Have you done with city life, village life, or have you done with social media ban or bone? Something like this. Have you done? Okay, we have done with uniform. Should uniform be compulsory in college? Okay, all right. So to begin with, you people just choose one topic. I will give you 2 or 3 topics. Out of that you just try to tell me, will it be okay to have a discussion on joint family versus nuclear family? Let me know if it is okay for you. You just say yes or no, otherwise we will go for another topic. So joint family, all we people have been such things. We know that what joint family, what nuclear family means, separate family you can consider here. Okay, joint family, not joint family. You people just reply. I hope that my voice is audible to everyone, and you people can say yes or no something. So is this topic feasible, convenient for you?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So if it is convenient for you, all you people just consider. In short, I will just try to tell you that here all we people are wanted to improve our communication skills. To try to understand communication skills is one of the aspects. Apart from that, you people have to also work for your let's say writing ability. So right now, if the topic is declared, you should be ready with pen and paper, and you should write some points, important points about this topic. Apart from that, subject knowledge is also important. Okay, so you should know about this topic. So joint family, right now here joint family, nuclear family, but apart from this, if the topic is given, in that case you should have read much about this, or you should have sound knowledge of the subject which is given to you. Apart from that, listening skills are also important. It is not what you speak, but it is also about, do you listen to other people or not. It is also about your positive attitude that you have to show throughout your behavior, throughout your communication, throughout your presentation. Then you have to also think of your confidence. Okay, that you have to show throughout your speech. Right now we are virtual and you people are not able to see each other also. So therefore, it is only voice that you people have to use to show your confidence. But when you will be physically, that time your facial expressions, your gesture, posture, or everything that has to be confident and it has to be realized for other people. So you have to be confident about whatever you are going to say. Apart from that, you people have to also work for leadership skills that you people need to showcase. How to show leadership skills, I think that I have told you earlier to take care of this also. Apart from that, here decision making ability, problem solving ability, critical thinking ability is here, analytical thinking is also here, open mindedness, you have to be open. And last point I will mention here, that is about your body language. I just told you that we are virtually connected here, but when you will be physically, that time you people have to use your body language. In body language, it comes your gesture, posture, hand movements, your facial expressions. Important is eye contact. You have to maintain eye contact with your speakers, listeners. And in appearance, you people have to take care about your dressing, formal dressing, and accessories that you are using. That has to be formal. So all those points you just consider while participating into any kind of group discussions. That will help you. So I hope that right now it is 3:40. So a sharp 3:45 will begin. You'll get 2 to 3 minutes to think about this topic. The topic is joint family versus nuclear family. So this will be a kind of GD, not a debate, okay? And in this, you people can just try to present your opinion, maybe from joint family side or nuclear family, depending upon in what you are favored up by, maybe joint family or nuclear family. So we'll get 2-3 minutes more to think about it. Meanwhile, you can find information and then we people will discuss it for 15 minutes. We'll discuss it for 15 minutes. Here, I expect maximum participation. I think that there are only few students who are frequently coming ahead and taking part. So I expect now all the students also should come forward, try to speak. If you're making mistakes, that's okay. I can expect your mistakes also. But if you're not speaking because of making mistakes, that is not fair. So start making mistakes and start learning from those mistakes. And we are practicing very simple topics. You know that actually group discussion, you may have some difficult topics also based on economy or based on politics, based on maybe health, maybe a current of usually current issues will be considered for GD, or maybe from economy. Usually you should be read with newspapers and all those things. In that case, you people will be able to speak about it. Otherwise, it becomes difficult for us to express our opinion if we are not having any subject knowledge of the that particular topic. I think now it's 3:45 and it is the right time to start our discussion. So let someone come ahead and take the lead and start the discussion.
Hello, sir. Can I?
Hi, yes, Shubham. You can start.
It's okay. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. I am Shubham Bandgar from CSE department, and today we are going to discuss the very important topic, that is joint family versus nuclear family. So, according to me, I will go with joint family because joint family consists of our parents, grandparents, our uncles, our siblings, where nuclear family consists of only parents and their kids. So I think in joint family, there are lots of happiness as compared to nuclear family. So I will go with joint family. Thank you.
For next 10 to 15 minutes, I will not interfere. You decide whether you wanted to spend these 15 minutes quietly or you want to discuss it.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Prajakta, continue.
Hello.
Prajakta, I think that you have network issue. Your voice is not clear, Prajakta.
Trolling.
Just check your connection and then try again, Prajakta.
Hello, sir.
Ah,
Now,
yes. Yes, better now.
uh, according to my joint family is very important role play in children life in joint family. All members love to each other, and joint family is like of bunch of flowers. There is most flower in bunch, then it is like so beautiful. And some flower in bunch, they did not like uh, I mean not like beautiful, but
Sir,
Yes, Shraddha.
sir, I am going to tell about joint family. If we will live with our grandmother, fathers, kaka, kaku, and whatever, there will be a one unity with our joint family. But in nuclear family, there will not be a one unity because there will only mother, father, and one boy or one girl. But there will not be a enjoy more. But in our joint family, we enjoy more because of the many peoples in our families. But in nuclear family, cannot do like this enjoyments. But in joint family, there will be a grandmother and father. Then the grandmother and grandfather knows all the things about the functions or whatever they have seen with their eyes, but our mother and father, they don't know about joint families. So we agree to joint families.
Yes, I will agree with Shraddha. In my opinion, joint family is a type of extended family. The system of joint family comes from the Vedic times. The advantage of joint family is you learn the art of sharing as well as education beyond the books. Thank you.
Even that their grandmother and grandfathers know the sanskar. What we can tell that sanskar is the Marathi word that they know, and they followed. They teach us what our rules are there about, for example, puja, family, night and morning family dinner, lunch or breakfast with family. But the nuclear family not like this. That is my father is going for duty, then father will eat and he will go, then my school is there, I will eat afterward. Like this is not there in joint family. There are one unity that we will eat one time only with all family members, that is night dinner. We will eat with one unity of family, with grandmother, father, kaka, kaku, like this.
Yes, sir, I am agree with this. In joint family, there is a great coordination between each member, and we can share or enjoy every moment.
But in spite of all this, nuclear families have more freedom as compared to a joint family, I think. They do not have to worry about what the other members of the household may think. What do you think, Shraddha? I think your opinion is about joint family.
Yes, I will agree with you.
Yes, Nikita, I am agree with you, but not only the children, but also grandchildren do not get their grandparents' love, care, and some goes for the grandparents who have to live their remaining life all alone in small place without having their children around them. So, what will you say, Nikita?
Sorry, repeat it. Hello?
I am saying that not only the children, but also grandchildren do not get their grandparents' love, care, and some goes for the grandparents who have to live their remaining life all alone in small place without having their children around them.
Yes, it is nowadays extending more in grandmother's and grandfather's life.
Yes, you are
Yeah.
right.
Yes, but nowadays in living in joint family is maximum times not possible because due to working in different fields and for that they were goes different cities, so there is need to live in nuclear family.
Yes, that's what I am saying.
And also in joint family, we not get much freedom than in nuclear family.
How can you explain?
You can say that democracy exists in nuclear family.
Yes, you are wrong. When we are honest to our family, then why they do not give the democracy to us?
No. I'm saying the mechanism of relationship in nuclear family is very straightforward. It is based on the foundation of mutual respect and love for each other. If there is a joint family, I think then we need to think about everyone, or we need to adjust everyone's thoughts.
Everyone thinking is responsible for our.
But it depends upon you also.
Yes.
Yeah, but in joint family, all members are equally sharing all expenses and workloads and some other things also, so that there is no burden on particular person.
Yes. In nuclear
Yes, but
family, there is only one burden to our mother and father. But in our joint family, there is no burden on only mother and father. There is equal burden to all.
yes, but
But
it is
also in there
possible
are so
when
many.
all members in family are working in same field, not working in different field.
Not necessary to work in the same field.
Yes,
But
and
some
Sharing resources with the cousins and sisters and other parents, it minimizes the expenses on their children.
Also, the nuclear families face fewer quarrels when compared to a joint family. Usually, they are the small quarrels between members of nuclear family.
yes, you are right.
In nuclear family, there will be now mother is going for job and father is also going for job. Then one day is student is having holiday to school. Then one student is only sitting in our house. Then mother and father do not say that to neighbor, see our children that she is alone, see to that girl. Nowadays it is not possible because the neighboring girls are not so nice to behave. We not have that what we can say vishwas
Trust.
Yeah, but in joint family, it
trust
doesn't happen.
trust on neighbor. That only we
Yes.
have a joint family, then someone will there, or she have grandmother or grandfather with that girl. But in nuclear family cannot.
Yes, I am agree with this.
In that case, in joint family, children will get guidance from their uncle, aunts, and other family members also.
Also in
But
nuclear
quite
family, loneliness is increased.
Yeah, but it's very difficult for a person to keep privacy in joint family system.
But sometimes that loneliness can maybe convert into frustration also.
Yes, yeah.
Yes, nowadays it is increasing.
Yeah, it's major problem nowadays.
With especially for girls.
Yeah, privacy is first. Yeah.
The
In
time is
nuclear
up.
family,
Okay, Shraddha, you finish and time is up, and then we'll have conclusion. Shraddha, you complete.
in nuclear family we cannot share the all the things, but in joint family we can share with everything. But when there is dinner time, then we can share the all the things with our families. But in a nuclear family we cannot share.
But in joint family, we have a lot of burden from our aunties, uncle.
ये तो अपने क्या हो फ्यूचर के लिए अच्छा होने के लिए बोलते ना.
Just we want conclusion here. So someone just conclude. You can raise your hand if you want to conclude. Okay, Nikita, go ahead and conclude this.
Okay, friends, I take opportunity to conclude discussion. Since we had good discussion, all of us were divided the topic on two group, that is joint family or nuclear family. Some of us were of the view that joint family is good. Other felt that nuclear family is good because it gives more freedom. So it is good. Thank you for conclude this section.
Okay, all right. Anyway, we have done this discussion, and I do not see much progress, but we are happy here that we could discuss this topic. Again, I felt a gap between the communication, that it has to be a continuous talk and there should be a logical sequence. Everybody should not present every time a different point and everybody is talking about new point. That makes here the discussion not unity, and that unity will be maintained if you are referring and agreeing and disagreeing with each other. So here specifically I would like to tell you, Nikita, you have clarity of thought, Nikita Jagtap, and you are just expressing the thoughts clearly, and I think that you have command over language also, now you're getting it. So there is no problem for you as far as communication is concerned. Then I will go with Krishna, Yash Kaulwar and Yash Repa. So you people are also having a little, but I think that your participation is less. And again, we people are answering or replying in one word or one sentence is not sufficient. You need to be more elaborative. We have to explain maximum possible. That we have to take care. You people were doing it, but I think that there were some shortages. We are answering in one sentence or one word. That is not sufficient. Then I will go to Shraddha. I think that Shraddha and Prajakta, even Rutuja also, you people were trying better, but I think that practice, again, we require more practice. As far as Shraddha is concerned, you wanted to say much more, but you're not able to get the proper words and sentences. But that is not a big issue. Shraddha, you have to practice, and there is no need to switch to other languages, Marathi or Hindi in between. If you are not getting proper words, you have to practice it. And here it is okay, you are switching to Hindi or something like this. But actually in group discussion, it will be a sign of, let's say, you are not competent in communication, English communication, that will show it like this. You can use a particular word in Marathi or like this, but not, you shouldn't switch totally into other language. That has to be avoided. And I think that you're struggling with getting vocabulary also. So you have to practice it. Nikita Pure is also that you are again able to present it, but not up to the mark or not up to the satisfactory level. So all you people just again work over it. Many of the times the similar mistakes that while agreeing, even today also we people have heard that people saying I am agree or I am not agree. So this has to be avoided. That is simple and minor, but still we have to take care that I agree or I disagree, I partially agree, I completely agree. That word or phrases we people have to use. Important, you people are failing to use the vocabulary like on the other hand, or according to my opinion, as per my knowledge, or you people should come with some survey, some percentage, some data. So you could give percentage. Nowadays people are maybe in percentage, these are into nuclear family, these are into joint family, and that kind of way that we people have to do. And again here in case of conclusion and in beginning also, we people would like to improve that we people have to learn in a better way. In conclusion, we expect much more. While concluding, we have to just summarize the views of group members also. It is not just both the things are okay, fine like this. You can give reference as Yash said, as Nikita said, rightly said. 1 point from nuclear family, 1 point from joint family. You can take it as a summary, and then you can just say that both things are okay, and it is as per the situation or requirement of the people. Like this, you people can do. And yeah, in case of Shubham, yes, that is also nice to begin with. I think that you, Shubham, began the discussion, but again, you have to be better. I think that somewhere Nikita asked Shraddha, what do you think? So Shraddha, you are supporting joint family and still you are saying, I agree with you. So here that shows your variation of opinion, that you're supporting joint family. And when Nikita was asking you what is your opinion, at the time you're saying, Shraddha, I agree with you. Or I think that Shubham also, you said in between that I agree with Shraddha, something like this. So that has to be avoided. So if you're sticking to joint family, try to just stuck to one side, and just try to give better examples, statistics, data, etc. So I think that okay, Krishna, I would like to conclude this session. Is it like this? Do you mean by your statement this? You want to conclude?
I mean, sir, format of conclusion of GD.
That
How
is why
it
I'm
is.
just telling. When it is up to conclusion, so you have to say, friends, now time is up, and I am here to conclude this session. So we have discussed this topic thoroughly, and every one of us has expressed their opinion. Some might be from this side or that side, but then you just begin to maintain the balance of two sides by summarizing one or two, giving examples like Nikita what said, or here from a joint family, Shubham said something, Shraddha said something. You pick up one or 2 points. So you have to note it down, okay? Who has said what. If you want to conclude now, you have to write down notes also. While listening, you should be note taking there. Remember, it is not just sitting there idly. So from the beginning only, once topic is announced, after that you should start immediately writing some important points, 1, 2, 3, 4 points, okay? And even after that also, if some group members, for example, after Shubham began and he made one statement, and you thought that Shubham has really made important point, you have to note it down in your diary or on your page, okay? Or from opposite side also, if Nikita has made something important, you have to note it down on your paper, so that you have to refer to these points while you are concluding. Everybody has to take note of it. It is not just for the one person who is going to conclude, but it shows that you are curious, you are note taking, you are listening. These are the strategies, parameters which are evaluated. That shows your listening. You have to show listening through your body language also. You're nodding your head up and down, you're agreeing, you're disagreeing, or something like this, and you're noting down also something on the paper. That kind of things should be there, and then you have to conclude. So I hope that it is okay, but again we will go for another. Can we go with another topic also? Still we have time, and should we discuss one more topic here, or you want something else? Skill is noun, skillful, that is will be correct. That is correct one, skillful.
What is the difference, sir?
Difference, I'm not sure about what that is. Single L, because I'm not sure about that this skillful.
I searched but not getting proper.
Okay, I will search it from my side, and maybe next time I will tell it.
Okay, sir. And what is the difference between close and enclose?
Close and enclose, this is, I think, that both are verbs. It depends upon if you're just using it right now. I enclose the list of the something. So attaching something with that is enclosing, and closing is something that you want to close. For example, if you are writing a letter and you wanted to attach some documents to that letter, so that it will be enclosed. Okay, enclosing means attaching, a kind of attaching, and closing means kind of you want to close the session, you want to close the discussion, you want to close the door. That is enclose.
Okay.
Sorry, close. Okay, so how to start the GD? So if this topic is given, so first of all you have to say greet your group. For example, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, according to the time of the day, and then mention your name. I am Rahul Nagne, something like this, and then you start. Today we have got the topic for discussion: joint family versus nuclear family. try to give a brief introduction. Friends, it is very important that all you people are living in family, but we have to always think about whether it is joint family and nuclear family, because both of the families are having different kinds of principles and morals to teach with. So here I would like to appeal all group members to express your opinion about this topic, or I appeal or I request all group members to participate in this discussion. Such kind of appeal should be there. And after that you can stop, and then other group members can start. Okay, it will be Shubham, it will be better to give chance to someone. Once you've taken the lead, immediately don't go for I will go with joint family or I will go with nuclear family. Give chance to someone else, and then at second time you can take your turn, instead of just introducing the topic also and starting the discussion also. So introducing the topic is different thing and starting the discussion is different thing. So let me know, can we go with another topic, one more topic discussion, or can we go with some discussion, general discussion? I think that short time it will be, but rather than spending time, other than you can ask questions also, that way also we can continue, but just not doing anything, that will not be okay. I think that today many people did not participate here. Saifa, you did not participate here. Again, there were many people. Last time you participated, Akanksha was there. Last time participated. Pradnya was there, I think, the last time. This time you people have not attended this. You have not participated. And again, one more thing about interruption. What happened that 2 to 3 people try to speak at the same time. Okay. So how to just continue with this, or whether you are going to retreat. So in that case, you have to use the word, sorry to interrupt you, but I want to make an important point here. If someone person is speaking and you wanted to interrupt that person, and if you have a really important point, or you know that the next person is totally providing false information or lying, or whatever he or she is saying is not true, that is not up to the date, or maybe something like this, in that case you can interrupt by saying, sorry to interrupt you, but I want to raise an important point here, and then you can continue with your point. Okay, right now here in online, what happens that nobody knows that who's going to try to speak. So in online, interruption is going to be there. So there should be mutual understanding. If the next person is going ahead, you can understand that let him speak first and then I will complete. Or if you are going to ahead, you just try to continue with your speech, and maybe other people may retreat from their talk and they'll talk it later. So here online, but right now we are not facing cameras also. That is also one more issue, that because of that also we are not able to see who is speaking here. So maybe you people can be familiar with open camera also. So if it is possible, if the circumstances are feasible for you, convenient for you to use camera, it will be better to use camera also. Maybe next time you can be ready with camera also. You just tell me if you're ready with camera, we'll take with camera also. Any other questions? Yes, Aditya also did not participate today. Am I right, Aditya? You were not there. You did not say anything. So many students did not
Yes,
participate.
sir, I have my own topic.
Okay, okay. You wanted to present. Yes. Can you present it right now? We have still time. 5 to 10 minutes we can take.
As your permission, sir, but I am not to share any PPTs. I am just
No,
talking
not
on my topic.
necessary. If you're ready, if you're comfortable, and if you're ready, there is no need to share PPTs or anything like. You can give it orally also.
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Okay, fine. So we'll listen, Aditya.
Good afternoon, all dear friends. Today I am going to discuss one of the most interesting chapter about Indian business strategies. I will tell about some strategies, up to 1 to 7 strategies in there, how to build your business in India. So, sir, can I start?
Yes, yes, you can start.
Okay. Okay, sir. So friends, in India, it is one of the biggest startup hub for world. India is the second largest startups in world. So what industries are realized in India to grow your business? First is IT industry, second automobiles, third banking industries, fourth is biotechnology, food industry and health consistence. So it these industries are participate in our Indian GDP. So due to this pandemic situation, India has grow in GDP. It is one of the best achievement in this pandemic situation. So according to percentage, I will tell which industry contributes in GDP. So very less amount percentage is 4% from textile industry and very large percentage from retail and wholesaler industries, that is 15.7 percentage. So some main topics, main industries to contribute in India for growing this achievement: 8.5% from transporting industry, 8% from engineering by our side industries, 7% is chemical industry, 10% banking and insurance industries, and 13.5% are from real estate industries. So contribution in India in whole world GDP is $3.049 trillion. So 1 trillion means 1 lakh crores in India rupees. So what type means what is industrial members from? All members are comes from Gujarat side. That is a Marwadi side. So these people are focusing these products by some categories, like some specific product for kids, some specific product from youngsters and legendaries. So they teach their child, means they have one some specific language in Gujarat. They teach their children जीवन में कुछ मोटा करू छे, means what they do in our life, in their life, they must be only one or biggest thing in their life. So creativity, it is one of the best marketing strategy, and creativity comes from what is the customer need and attraction of customer and their positive thinker. So if you are a startup, if you are a entrepreneur for startups your own business, they you have some strategies followed by, interesting for business idea, means uh, your idea presenting in India, then Indian people are interested in your business ideas, because your idea is a problem solver idea. Be clear and flexibility in business ideas. You must think next 50 to 17 years. If you are not think uh, coming 15 to 70, there you are collapse very fastly. Their negative means you must know their native language, means rather than English, Marathi, Hindi, their um, mother language, like Gujarati, Tamil, Kannada, like that. So I will already say that India is a second largest country startup hub in world. So according to Unicorn survey, Unicorn is, it is one of the organization to survey the startups and business. So I will tell, in USA per year 65,703 startups are started. In India per year 8,301 startups are started per year. And third largest is UK, United Kingdom. 5,377 startups are starting in 1 year. So according to unicorn ranking, there is total means I am already said that total 8,301. So what unicorn says that if that company must be earn their own turnover is greater than $1 billion, the company are must include in unicorn unicorn सर ह्याला संसार काय म्हणतात
संस्था
हा सर म्हणजे
institution, organization, company.
organization.
Okay, so you just take it short because time limit 3 to 5 minutes are there.
Okay.
Have you finished or you just conclude in 1 minute?
Yes, sir. I have some 7 strategies. Can I complete?
Maybe see, depending upon time. So if it is possible to conclude within 1 minute, you just conclude.
Okay,
in
sir.
short. No.
Okay, sir. First strategy is niche marketing. You in niche you must be specific price for specific customer with specific product. Second is trade show marketing, like Big Bazaar, all in one umbrella. Third is social marketing, like WhatsApp, Insta, Facebook. Fourth is flexible marketing. Sell high value product with lower one. And fifth is undercover marketing, that is product value in future but people start to know now, means you are planning up to giving 70 to 50 years but people must know in interested in your idea. Sixth is outbound and inbound. Outbound means like a election, you tell to customer your plan, and inbound means people attract to your ideas. Seventh and last is cross promotion, means in partner, not in a partner. One partner from one company and a second partner is another company. Like Apple promote Amazon and Amazon also promote Apple. You show in Ariel Nirma Ariel washing powder ad. They must be means promote LG washing machine, and LG washing machine promotes Ariel. So this is my 7 strategy to complete your and future business. Thank you, sir.
Yes, fine. Aditya, you have chosen nice topic about the entrepreneurship and strategies, but I think that topic was too big. If you want to present, I think that entire hour is required for your 7 strategies. But in short, you explained that is nice. And see, other people also try to learn, not only just communication, but see plans also, because all we people are going to enter into the industry. So all should not be job seekers. All you people can do jobs, but just for experience. But later on, after getting experience of 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, all you people can think in this direction also and try to take more information. So Aditya, you've chosen nice topic and you have presented it in a nice way. Okay, and just keep it up that you are again just mentioning for you come with the small topics, because if it is like this, your topic could have extended up to 1 hour also. So try to just bridge it, make it short. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Here we are having some questions. I think that from Krishna says, if someone talk about one point and that suppose he or she continued this point in Hindi. So if you are having any quotation, any statement, important talk, that can you present in Hindi, okay? Or in your regional language also. You can give an example. Any idiom is there, any phrases, money, vakprachar, but that should be that should not be used help you don't know, and because of that you are using that popular saying, a quote, or some very important statements that you people can use in that particular language only to maintain the its effect. But don't switch to other languages to say something about general discussion, Krishna. So it will not be better to switch to other language, because you try to stick to English only. But if you think that there is a really important quotation from Hindi, any proverb or idiom in Hindi or in Marathi also, you can present it in that native language. That will be positive. But using language for talking or explaining something in Hindi or Marathi, that will not be okay. Then in case of offline college or these things will be conveyed to you, I cannot say right now here also, because that will be decided by the government and the university only. If they are ready, if they are coming with some GR, some instructions notice, that will be conveyed to you. Additionally, those who have completed their 2 doses of vaccination, You have to come here and take permission from the campus in charge if you wanted to come here and stay into hostel. That can be done in this way, or you can ask telephonically also. You can take number of fees or from some sources, or you can ask me also. Later on I will provide it. And you just try to inquire it. Those who wanted to come here in the campus, or those who wanted to just stay here into hostel, because it will be beneficial if you are here. Lots of benefits can be there for those who are going to stay here into hostel. So first ensure you have completed both doses of vaccination, and then you can inquire with campus in charge. I cannot say anything about this also here. In case Yash wants to present next time, it's okay, Yash, that you're going to talk. Topic can be whatever you are going to choose, but just see time limit. You have to constrain here from 3 to 5 minutes will be okay. And next time you can do it, no issue. Akanksha, it's better you can take care of yourself. If you're ill, there is no need or compulsion to participate in these things. So these are some of the questions from students in chat box that I just spoke about. Okay. And here I think that now time is also about to end, so better we'll stop. Next time again we will have discussion and such kind of presentation also. If you are making PPTs, that will be fine. If it is not having PPT, that is also okay, but you don't just run away or try to escape. See, if we practice now, then only we will feel confident. If you're not practicing, your people will feel that yes, I understand English, everything is fine, but when you try to open your mouth now, that time you're not feeling confident, or you're not able to express everything that is coming to your mind. So with practice, we people will learn. Even every day you people have to practice it, though we are not having any kind of CIP sessions every day, but even then also I think that I have told that strategy, coming together at the end of the day and discussing something with each other. Your day-to-day communication, gossips should be in the form of English communication only, and that can be just for a fun also. And I can see here in your class, so many students are who are very convenient with English communication, like Nikita is there, that all people who participated today, apart from that, last time Saipa, Kanksha, and there were so many people, I cannot name all here. So these people are convenient in their communication. With practice, they can go to the next level also. So all you people just take note of it, that this is for you people and your future and your career. Not for any teacher, not for me, or not for any other people, but for our own sake, we people have to do this. And always stay motivated. Why do we want to improve our communication? Because lots of opportunities will be there, and you people can make most of them. So therefore we people have to keep it. And those who are having some fear, nervousness, or those students who are thinking that I want to speak but I can't speak, this student need to communicate me personally also. If you are not able to communicate here in the front of class, you can message me personally, or you can call me personally also. That will be fine for me, and you can discuss your problems. So that will be fine. I think that time is again very close, and we have to take attendance. So we'll stop our discussion, and we'll first of all take this attendance. So from division A, absent numbers are roll number 1, roll number 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 absent, then 10, 11 absent, 12, 13, 14 absent, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 absent, 26, 27, 28, 29, then 32, 36 absent, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 absent, 36 also absent, and 37, 38, 39 absent, 40, 41, 42 absent, 43, 44, 45, 46 absent, 47, 48, 49 absent, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56 absent, 57, 58, 59, 60 absent, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66 absent, 67, 68, 69, 70 absent. Okay, so absent numbers from division A are roll number 1, 3, 7, 8, 9, 11, 14, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 42, 46, 49, 55, 56, 59, 60, 70. Okay, if anybody present, you just let me know. From division B, we'll take attendance. Roll number 1 absent, then 2, 3, 4 absent, then 5 here, 6, 7 absent, 8, 9 absent, 10, 11, 12 absent, 13, 14, 15 absent, 16, 17, 18 absent, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 absent, 24, 25, 26, 27 absent, 28, 29 absent, 30, 31, 32 absent, 33, 30, from 32 now, 33 is present, 34 to 44 absent. So 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44 also absent, 45, then 46, 47, 48 absent, 49, then 50, 51, 52, 53 absent, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60 absent, 61, 62, 63 absent, 64, 65, 66 absent, 67 absent, 68. So B34, why you're not with proper format? Otherwise you would be marked absent. Okay. 68 present, 69, 70 absent. Yes, B.
34.
So follow the proper format. B42, you also follow the proper format. And B41, in case of B41, just call Om Dikshit. If you know someone Om Dikshit, call him and tell him to join with audio. He is connected, but he is not joined with audio, so his attendance will not be marked.
B62 present, sir.
B62, you're present, no issue. So absent numbers from division B, just listen. Roll number 1, 4, 6, 7, 9, 12, 15, 17, 18, 23, 27, 29, 32, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, then 41 not connected with audio, 43, 44, 46, 47, 48, 50, 51, 52, 53, 57, 58, 59, 60, 63, 65, 66, 67, 69, and 70. Yes, sure. I will just try to find it out about skillful difference if I get. Even you can message me on WhatsApp also. I will try to tell you, Nikita. All right, so should we stop here? Should I end this meeting now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Thank you. Thank you for joining today, and do join for next session also.